yagiye kuri Yakobo.
God didn't talk to Jacob.
Kuko ikibazo ntabwo ari Yakobo.
Because the issue was not Jacob.
Ahubwo ikibazo ni cyari kiboshe Yakobo.
But what was the problem is the thing that was binding Jacob.
Cyari kiboshe Yakobo yari Labani.
What was binding Jacob was Laban.
Imana itakuvugisha.
There are times God doesn't talk to you. But even if he's quiet,
ikavugisha ikikuboshe.
he speaks to the binding thing. He speaks to the one who is binding you.
Uyu munsi wicaye.
Tonight you are here. What has bound your house, God is going to talk to it. What has bound your children, God is speaking to it. What has bound your wife, God is going to speak to it.